So please tell me, what can I do to spice up my makeup routine to just look more like makeup-y, more snatched, more camera ready?
Bestie, I am here for you. So, you want makeup-y, but not too makeup-y. You want snatched, but you don't want cakey. Not too much, but not too little. I know exactly what you mean. I think I know exactly what you mean. My personal opinion. The most important thing is the base. The base is what makes you look makeup-y, but not too makeup-y. Of course, we will get to the eyes. I usually prime. I personally don't use full coverage foundation. I think it's a bit much. But I do use a full coverage concealer. This one is actually pretty good, the Dior Skin Correct. Dior. You can see how well it covers everything from underneath. And today I feel like I'm in need for some coverage. Now for the foundation. I'm gonna use this one from Lancome, but of course there are a lot more affordable options. And I usually go pretty light with this. You can see how it's really light on my skin. You can still see my face underneath. What really transforms the face is the contour. And no, we are not going like crazy with it. I actually do a combination of cream contour and powder contour. And I use this to pull my face kind of up. I do a little bit here. I do a little bit on the nose. Blend that in real good. For me, this is the thing that gives me that face transformation. Without a little bit of face shaping, I look like one of those Roblox characters. I still kind of do, but let's not talk about it. Now, this is crucial. You need to set this. This is the only setting spray that holds everything together for me. Now, I'm not saying anything about the other ones, but this one though. Wait for that to dry. I'm using the brow glue. What really makes my face personally snatched is the straighter, kind of more like this eyebrow. I hope this makes sense. Like this eyebrow shape pulls my face down, while this shape kind of makes it go up. This is the difference. You can see how my whole face shape has changed. Now what I also do is go under the brows with the concealer. Some people don't like this, but I think this step is crucial for that snatchness. Forgot to mention the blush. I also use cream blush. Just a few little dots there. Now for the eyes. I suggest you try to do your makeup in a different shape. And this is what I mean. You said you always kind of smear brown eyeshadow across your eye, but I think your eye shape would look amazing just a little pulled out. So this is a brown eye pencil. And you just smear it out with this part. It gives your eye a different shape without it looking too makeup-y. I have no more time, so go to part 2. I'm gonna post it right away.